Here's how to fix battery stuck at 0% charging on laptop. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, then expand the Batteries section. Look for Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Uninstall. Once the driver has been removed, right-click on Batteries again and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows should automatically detect the battery device and reinstall the required driver. After that, check your battery to see if it's charging normally. If the problem is still there, shut down your laptop completely. Once the computer has fully powered off, press and hold the power button for around 45 seconds. Continue holding it even after the screen turns off and release the button once the 45 seconds are over. Now, turn your laptop back on and check the battery again. Hopefully, one of these methods will fix the issue. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.